What's up, everyone? I'm Cooper Dawson.
I'm Abby Cottle.
And let's check out what's going on with SK Soft at Community Summit this year, 2025.
Our first stop is the SK Soft booth.
We love having our own booth at these types of events because it allows us to reconnect with current customers and partners, and of course, meet new people.
Speaking of which, here we are, where the magic happens.
Let's talk to some people about their favorite parts of Community Summit.
Cooper, what's your favorite part of Summit?
It has to be the booth prizes, hands down.
All right, well, let's see if anyone else agrees.
My favorite part of the Community Summit is when a customer comes up and they share a challenge they're having with the software, and when they speak to one of our product team members, we're able to resolve it right there on the spot.
My favorite part about Summit is building relationships in the community.
My favorite part about Summit is connecting with prospects, partners, and customers.
Another great thing about Community Summit are the sessions. From breakouts to deep dives and partner solution showcases, each one brings new insights and takeaways to the Dynamics 365 user. And who better to discuss this with than Morgan Prengler, our Monday session presenter. So Morgan, tell us a little bit about your session.
Well, our session was how to automate key financial processes for the CFO. So looking at embedded financial automation in Business Central, but also how can we streamline key financial processes all in BC.
Great.
Yeah.
So what were some of the key takeaways?
So for us, we were looking at the challenges that the CFOs face first off. And so the key takeaways is the biggest thing is fraud and also lack of automation in the ERP. And we solved that through looking at how they automate AR, AP, cash management, and they get a ton of benefits from that as a result.
Thanks, Morgan. Now let's go talk to some more people at Community Summit. Back to you, Cooper.
Thanks, Abby. Here we are on day 2 of Summit, and our next stop involves our friends from SignUp Software. SK Soft and SignUp currently have some joint initiatives going on in the Business Central space, with some even bigger initiatives coming in the future. Let's see what some of their favorite parts of Community Summit are.
Well, my favorite part of Community Summit's got to be the arcade games, the skee ball machines, but really it's the people, and you get to meet all the new faces.
My favorite part of Community Summit is the connections, connecting with both the clients as well as colleagues face to face.
My favorite part of Community Summit was I was given the opportunity to present, and it was really nice being able to educate people at that session about our product.
My favorite part about this environment is being able to reconnect with so many customers and prospects face to face rather than through a screen.
You know, I really thought more people would say prizes.
Oh, we know. You may think most of the fun happens in the sessions.
And the expo hall.
And it's true. We have a lot of fun out there. Some more than others.
Why are you looking at me? In addition to the expo hall, part of the conference festivities include partner-hosted and sponsored parties.
And one thing about SK Soft is we know how to party. Let's go check out this year's party scene at Community Summit.
Here we are at Eagle's Edge Top Tracer Range.
We've got everything we need to make a great party. Food, drinks, and a golf range.
Let's go hit some golf balls.
Last but not least, we're at the BC Bash, sponsored by the channel's most prominent leaders.
Although tonight is about networking, it's also about enjoying the night in Havana, my favorite kind of networking. It sure was, and thanks for joining us on this journey through Community Summit.
We're excited about what's ahead and look forward to connecting with you in the future.
And we would especially like to thank our customers and our partners.
Thanks for watching, and see you next year.